how to grow your hair faster, longer, and all this shit that y'all want to know in this video, man. Keep watching and I'm gonna explain all of that to you guys. But first, man, some people wondering like, damn, nigga, like, where the fuck you been? Nigga, I've been, you know, working a lot. And also, I got another baby on the way, man. So I've been really busy. So, man, so that's to those who was wondering where I was at. The hair's still growing, man. These 2-strand twists. My hair is getting longer, man. And, man, it's ridiculous. The growth is ridiculous, man. So I bought a new product. Y'all may know, well, everybody know what this product is. Black castor oil. That shit, I mean, the shit smell like cooking oil, but the shit, I guess the shit works good because my hair and my scalp feels moist. You know what I'm saying? It feels good, and my hair is much softer for using that shit. I just been using it for a day, so I don't know if, you know, it makes your hair grow fast, but we gonna see. You feel me? So look, so this is the hair, a little update on the hair. So look, this is my hair right here. All right, I can't see. I gotta bend down this shit because my hair touching the ceiling. See that? See, I'm bending down. See, hair touching the ceiling. That's crazy. So look, then back. Look how long it is. Side. Yeah, my hair has been growing, man. See, look at this. Touching collarbone. Collarbone length, my nigga. But look, yeah, so what have I been doing, man? I have not been using any products in my hair for the past 2-3 months. That's because my wild hair growth oil some of y'all may know this because y'all asked me in Snapchat. My wild hair growth oil, I got dumped out. My girl dumped it out, and she just pissed at me, man, for some damn reason. I forgot. A long time ago, but you know, so that's why I grabbed the Jamaican black castor oil, because a subscriber told me to get it, man. So I'm trying it out, and so far I like it. My scalp is not dry. I don't see no flakes, no nothing. So this is what you need to do for you to successfully grow your hair quickly and faster, man. You need to use protective hairstyles, man, like this 2-strand twist. My shit is long. If I take this out the twist, my hair goes right here to my mustache, my nigga. I kid you not. My shit goes down there. It's getting long, man. It's getting there. So once my shit gets to, you know, I can kiss my shit, and that's when I made it somewhere with something that people forget to mention in their videos, man. Look, patience is the #1 key for hair growth, and that's what I've been doing. I've just been patient, keeping hairstyles like this in, not really using products like that. So I'm just using right now, like I said, I've been using black Jamaican castor oil for 2 days because I just got the shit 2 days ago. So I've just been using that. So I'm gonna see how this shit works. Is it better than wild growth hair oil? We're gonna see. Second, people forget to mention sleep. Nigga, you need sleep if you want your hair to grow, because when you sleep, your body regenerates and, you know, heal up whatever scratches, marks, whatever the hell you got on your skin. It heals that up, and then your hair also grows when you sleep. So the more sleep, water, and patience you have, your hair will grow quicker and faster if you just leave it alone, man. Get something like this, leave it in for a long time. If your hair is not this length, man, I suggest you get a sponge. Get a sponge and just sponge it up, man, and make sure that, man, I think I got a video on that, do I? I'm not sure. But yeah, so get a sponge if your hair is very short, and then just keep doing that shit until, for I say 2, 3, 4 months, until your hair is long enough to get it styled. Braids is another great hairstyle that helps your hair grow longer. That braids actually stretches your hair. You know what I'm saying? So look, if this video gets, I say, 50 likes, I will bring you guys a brand new hair video of me getting my hair braided. Y'all gonna see the hang time and all. You see that? You see that, right? Look, boom. So my hair should be at least to my shoulders once my hair get braided, and I might end up putting some black beads in it so I can keep its length. Soon as I hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway, and the giveaway will be probably some wild hair growth oil or black and Jamaican castor oil. Y'all let me know what y'all want. And also, I am sorry because this channel right here has been every goddamn weird, man. I talked to King Brill. If y'all know who that is, man, go subscribe to him. He was just like, man, just keep your channel in one spot. Stop changing it up and this and that, making it this, that. So this channel is straight for hair only. Hair only. If you want to be entertained by something else, man, make sure you guys subscribe to my main channel, because I will be uploading different stuff on that channel. And it's going to be bangers all on that channel. So if you subscribe to this channel for fun shit, subscribe to my main channel. I will be uploading on there soon. And also, man, I just want to thank all you guys for still rocking with me. So y'all want a good look at the hair again. See, 2-strand twist. Some people thought I had locks, but nah. Yeah, man, so that's pretty much it.